So, Yamina, here's another question that we got from our viewer who's asking: is it possible for a work permit restoration to be approved if it was submitted before the LMIA was approved? What do you have to say?
So generally, what we do if a client has a work permit that is expiring before the new LMIA is received is that we apply for the new LMIA as far in advance as possible. When the work permit is within 2 weeks of being out of status, we apply for the new work permit. When we apply for the new work permit, we show proof that there is a LMIA that was pending. Now, the acceptance or rejection of the new work permit is going to depend on the usual factors that are considered when a work permit is accepted or refused. And secondly, in this specific case, what the officer is going to look at is how far in advance was the LMIA applied for. So if the LMIA was applied for maybe 7 days before the work permit expiry, the officer is not going to look kindly on that. They're going to think that this worker really didn't plan properly and they are kind of submitting this work permit application at the last minute. However, if the LMIA was applied for maybe a month or 2 months before the work permit was expiring, the officer is going to have a lot more sympathy for that worker and understand that, okay, they planned far in advance, they knew their work permit was expiring, they applied for the LMIA far in advance, but unfortunately, due to the long processing times, it wasn't received with sufficient time. So that is best practice when you have a work permit that is running out and you require a new LMIA and the LMIA has not been issued yet.
That's right. Thank you so much, Yamina, for answering this question. And friends, the best part is you can also get in touch with attorney Yameena Ansari. Just have to visit this link and you'll get the contact details of her. So go ahead and reach out to her right now.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.